Hey everyone, want to create flowcharts in Excalidraw? It's a great tool for designing diagrams, brainstorming processes, and organizing ideas visually. Let me show you how to create simple and effective flowchart. So first of all, set up your canvas. You can click the three bars at the bottom left and then go ahead and click Find on Canvas. And once you're on the canvas, you will have a blank space to work with, right? If you have a already chart saved in Canvas, you can just go ahead and add it maybe with your teammates and all that stuff, and you can do it from the comfort of your fingertips basically. And next, what you're gonna do, you can add circles, right? Circles, like small circles, and then add text right here at the top to start typing your points. And you can zoom in to see exactly how it's done. Let me zoom in like this. All right, and you can add diamonds, or this is a circle, so let me delete it. I'm gonna add diamonds, for example, and then add text at the top right here, and add your basically your point. All right, so add rectangles, diamonds, or even arrows. You can add arrows right here to your point to point it out, right? And if you want to add like a shape, you can add a shape by adding a photo, right? Or you can go ahead, if you want to know more about the command at the bottom left, you can go ahead to the command palette and you can see right here, zoom in, shape, you're gonna find ellipse, selection, insert image, eraser, hand, panning tool, frame tool, and so much more. If you want to add shapes like media and all that stuff, you could go ahead and add shapes by clicking photo and then add photo from photo library or whatever, right? And you can connect with arrows right here. Let's say, for example, you want to point out to something right here, you can click the arrow and change the place, right? You can point out to the arrows right here and extend it or make it lower, right? And you can change the place, right, to make sure the arrows align well, right? And you can move shapes and adjust arrows to make the flowchart more more readable, and use that line feature in your fingertips to align your arrows with the shapes, right? So you can add also color by clicking right here the arrow. Let me click the arrow, change the color from the bottom right here, and select, let's say, for example, blue. And you can now go back and see that I changed it to blue. All right, and after you finish, export or share your flowchart. Right, this is an example, but you can work on it in depth. I'm just showing you the tools, and if you want to know more about the shapes and sounds, and you to add your flowcharts, click the three bars at the bottom left and then command palette, and you're gonna be able to see right here the tools. And this will help you right here. This will help you draw or make your own flow chart. So this is an example. Once your flow chart is ready, you can share it or export it by clicking the three bars again at the bottom left, and then click save to as a project, right? You can save it as a project to get back to it later, or export that chart as an image, and then you can save it as a PNG or SVG, or copy to clipboard. And if you don't want background, you can just toggle off the background, and you can name also that file if you want to, and then hit PNG or SVG to save it to your device as a photo. And that's how you create flowcharts in Excalidraw. Simple, customizable, and collaborative. Ready to map out your ideas? Try it out and let me know how your flowcharts turn out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.